6 steps of the correct installation of threads. 1. Ballast the coil and cover it, clamping the wire on the wire bracket. 2. Put the thread into the middle of the 2 metal pieces from the top and pass from the up to the below. 3. Pass the wire through the wire clamping panel from top to bottom. 4. Facing the machine, pass the line from right to left through the thread take-up lever. 5. Put the thread from top to bottom cross-thread. Guide ring holes on the needle rod. 6. Pass the thread through the needle hole 6 from front to behind and pull out the line head 5 to 6 centimeters long.